Are you looking for a stable and affordable tripod for your camera or smartphone? If you create videos, take photos, or shoot content for YouTube and social media, a good tripod is an essential accessory. Today we are taking a look at the Amazon Basics tripod, which is a popular and budget-friendly option for beginners and content creators. The Amazon Basics tripod is designed to provide stability while taking photos or recording videos. One of the biggest advantages of this tripod is its lightweight and portable design. You can easily carry it anywhere, whether you are shooting indoors, outdoors, or traveling. This tripod is built with strong aluminum material, which makes it durable while still keeping the weight low. Because of this, it is easy to carry in a bag and perfect for creators who move around frequently for shooting videos or capturing photos. Another great feature of this tripod is the adjustable height. You can extend the tripod legs to different heights depending on your shooting needs. This makes it very useful for different situations such as taking group photos, recording YouTube videos, shooting product reviews, or even capturing landscapes. The tripod also comes with adjustable leg locks. These locks allow you to extend and secure the legs quickly so the tripod stays stable on different surfaces. Whether you place it on the floor, a table, or uneven ground, it helps keep your camera steady. One of the most important parts of any tripod is the tripod head. The Amazon Basics tripod comes with a smooth three-way pan head which allows you to move the camera in different directions. You can easily tilt or rotate your camera to capture the perfect angle for photos or videos. Another useful feature is the quick release plate. This allows you to quickly attach or remove your camera from the tripod without wasting time. This feature is especially helpful for content creators and photographers who need to change setups quickly. This tripod is compatible with many devices including DSLR cameras, mirrorless cameras, action cameras, and even smartphones with the right adapter. This makes it a versatile accessory for different types of creators. If you are a YouTuber, photographer, traveler, or someone who creates social media content, this tripod can be a very helpful tool. It helps reduce camera shake, improves video stability, and makes your content look more professional. Overall, the Amazon Basics tripod is a great budget option for beginners and everyday content creators. It is lightweight, easy to use, adjustable, and provides good stability for photos and videos. If you want this product, comment link and check the pinned comment for the product link. And don't forget to follow Trust Offer Zone for more useful product reviews and online finds.